Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Sagittarius, you can contact my good friend. She gives reading in fever, and I'll be sharing her link in the description. So you can contact her if you want a personal reading. So let's start the reading today with these cards for your general energies. We have 9 of Pentacles in reverse, 4 of Pentacles, and Fool in reverse. So, Sagittarius, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone quite, careless about something. You are making some choices maybe without deep thought. You are rushing towards something and you are not thinking clearly and not planning something. You are not aware of what will be the outcome in certain circumstances, and you are deciding something just because you want to. Maybe you are obsessed with some kind of ideas or some kind of uh, decisions you want to make. You are not thinking for yourself whether this choice will work or not. So that may be the case in this relationship. So you may love this person, you like them a lot, you want to be with them, spend time with them, and you're completely obsessed. Maybe that may be the reason you are deciding something without even asking for this person what they feel or what they will think of this love, of this connection. Maybe you're planning for proposal or planning to get married to them. You are building on your dreams and goals. But before that, you must find out what this person is thinking of you before building on your dreams or expecting certain good things in this relationship. You must think for yourself whether this relationship is moving towards marriage or commitment or finding out what lies in this person's heart. You must try to understand them, because with these cards I feel that your thinking is so different and your vision is so different, and you are not communicating with this person. You are not telling them what you are truly feeling for this person. You love them, but you need to tell them, only then they will understand that, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Ace of Pentacles. So maybe this person or you yourself, maybe you may see this person as some kind of an as someone important to you for some reason. Maybe you have your own reasons. You are trying to associate yourself with them because maybe this person is very successful, or maybe they are very beautiful, and you may feel really happy, or it will be simply something like a roller coaster ride when you are with them. So that is the level of what to say, that attraction you may have towards them. But you need to understand that simply attraction is not going to be enough today. Sagittarius, you must build your relationship on truth and honesty, whether you truly love this person or whether they love you truly. So, simply the fun aspect of this connection may not help you towards marriage or commitment. So, that is what I see with these cards, guys. So, let's see what is the card for your career circumstance. We picked one card, and it is Temperance in reverse. So maybe today you are trying to find that balance, trying to work out, maybe trying to uh, balance between the ideas you have or the ideas other people may have, adjust in a positive way in your career, and you're doing your best. That is what I see with these cards. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now. Sagittarius. Hello, hello, hello. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. So before we see this card, I will keep the second card. Snow White, purity. So with this card, it just means that you are a very kind and compassionate soul, and maybe your circumstances, maybe you have seen a lot of struggles, a lot of stress, and people have rejected you, and there were a lot of jealousy or envy towards you. Whatever toxic emotions or toxic reactions were shown to you, you are someone pure of heart and you are good to everyone. You never show anything bad to anyone, and you do not react in a bad way. You are a person who is a pure soul, a pure heart. Or maybe there is someone like that, and this person is going through a lot of trials, lot of difficulties, but it may be quite painful to go through this circumstance right now for you or for this person you have in your life. But you need to understand that you are going to be triumphant and successful, and goodness will always be rewarded, kindness will always succeed. So you are a person who is kind, compassionate, never showing any negative emotions towards people, never reacting in a bad way, and you are surviving great tests today. So you are going through a lot. So these experiences are giving you a lot of knowledge, making you mature and making you ripe with that divine knowledge. That is the reason you have these experiences, and these experiences are nothing compared to the depth of your good soul. So whatever may come, it's not going to change you for what you are, for that pure hearted person you are. So that is the energy here, guys, with this card. So you can be happy for that. You can tread on your life path, thinking of yourself, appreciating the good qualities that you have, and being courageous and being strong and determined to walk on this path of life with honesty and with compassion and staying strong in your path. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what is the card from nothing to everything. So, with this card, for those who chose this card, maybe this oracle card is telling you to let go of that attachment you have over something, maybe over a person, maybe this person you love, some kind of an obsession, some kind of an attachment over your expectations or your dreams, maybe in your career. Maybe you want your dream job and you have certain expectations and you are working towards that. But today, maybe something much better than your dreams is waiting to unfold today. All you need to do is just let go of this expectation. And we need to surrender that story or fantasy we have in our mind, which we go through very often in our mind, because reality is knocking our doors and it is waiting to unfold, and it will be the best thing that can happen for us when universe is guiding those opportunities or the love of our life towards us. So maybe we are obsessed over this person we have with us right now. So our obsession is the reason for something better not unfolding in our life. So when we give up this attachment and when we give up that expectation, we can stop dreaming but start living that dream today. So that is in our hands, guys. So you need to give up all fear, give up fear in this process. Maybe there may be some changes happening and you need to embrace these changes without expectations. Trust in yourself, trust in that divine spirit in you, and you will see that your fantasy is leading you towards fulfillment. Your all your dreams and plans, whatever you had, if you give up that expectation, it is going to manifest into reality, into your reality, and it is waiting to manifest, and you are pushing it away because of those expectations and attachment. So you need to give up that. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.